Zozo TV.
Ready, go!
A for apple, monkey holding apple. B for ball, a ball come to the monkey. C for cat, a monkey holding a small cat. D for dog, a monkey holding a small dog in hand. E for elephant, a elephant beside the monkey. F for fish, fish comes to the monkey. G for grapes, monkey eating grapes. H for hen, monkey talking with hen. I for ice cream, monkey holding a ice cream. J for jack, monkey playing with jack. K for kite, monkey playing with kite. L for lion, a monkey standing with lion. M for mango, a monkey holding a mango. N for nest, a monkey beside the nest. O for orange, a monkey standing with orange tree. P for peacock, a monkey playing with peacock feather. Q for queen, a monkey holding a Q symbol. R for rose, a monkey holding a rose. S for sheep, a monkey playing with small sheep. U for umbrella, a monkey holding an umbrella. V for van, a van standing beside the monkey. X for xylophone, a monkey playing with xylophone. Y for yak, a monkey playing with yak. Z for zebra, a zebra standing in the jungle.